In this video, I'll show you how to use copyrighted music legally.
Don't be shy, shy, shy. La 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 la.
So we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us. Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boy.
So you're probably wondering how I just did exactly what I did. It's thanks to a service called Licked. And you can check the short URL mrc.fm/licked. That's Lickd. And you can also see their website on the screen. Now, since I've talked about them before, I'm actually a massive fan of Licked, by the way. They have completely overhauled their website. They've refreshed the look. They've made it even easier to use, if it wasn't already easy. So you can get copyrighted music, well-known popular songs like the stuff I used, Macklemore, Tiesto. We could never do this before in our creations. Now you can. First thing you do is you log in and you connect your YouTube account, as I have done. Mike Russell is connected there. And on my channel, it's going to charge me £6 per popular music track. Now, your rates may vary depending on your YouTube channel size, and also depending on your region. You may be paying in dollars, euros, or something else. But that's the general price per track to use in your videos on YouTube, on Facebook, social media. It's fantastic. They also have a great stock music library. So if you're not looking for pop songs, but you just want a bit of music to go underneath or behind a video that you're creating, subscribe to this. And again, rates may vary, but £10 monthly will get you access to a whole plethora of great audio tracks. But we're interested today in using copyrighted music legally. So let's get down to that, which is just a little scroll away. And here's chart music on a pay-per-track basis. So we can look by genres, video themes, and moods. They've got some great categorization going on there. Straight away, if we look at fresh releases, we can see Sam Fender and George Ezra appearing right there, ready for us to preview and feature, and even Heart if we want to use it in a future track. But if, for instance, I know what I'm doing, I can go straight to the search icon here and I can look for music. And what's really cool about Licked's search capability is I can search by popular on Spotify, most relevant to my video that I'm making, popular on YouTube, or also the most licensed will show up all the tracks other creators are using. So it's really good. And if we look through here, we can see some famous stuff like the Don't Be Shy track I used by Tiesto. It's here. For example, I want to license it. I'll go straight into its product page. And all I got to do is click the license button like so. It adds it to my cart. You'll see I've got a nice little one there by my cart. Click that, and here I am, ready to check out, ready to pay, and ready to get that track into my video. So it's quite as simple as that. That's how easy it is to use copyrighted music legally in your online creations, whether it's YouTube, whether it's Facebook, or anything else. So there you go. If you enjoy Licked, remember to use my link to get there and you'll get some extra bonuses. Go to mrc.fm/licked. That's mrc.fm/licked. And let me know in the comments below which track you would like to see available on Licked. If you've not done so already, check out musicradiocreative.com. This is where my team of 200+ audio professionals can help you with voiceovers, radio jingles, DJ drops, podcast intros, music, ads, and much, much more.
Thumbs up. Subscribe for more. Musicradiocreative.com.